as I was saying, if there was a lake or something separating these two finches, then the isolated populations, I'm just going to put a bird here, the isolated populations have been subject to different selection pressures, and then they undergo independent changes to the allele frequencies and or chromosome arrangements within their gene pods. So these genetic changes may be the result of a mutation, selection, or genetic drift. Each population adapts to its environment, so it's going to adapt. So these finches might have long beaks. These ones might have bigger but more squashed beaks because of different seed shapes that they've got. And this is Allopatric Speciation. So this is that if these two birds were to be reunited, they would not be able to interbreed to produce fertile offspring. If we're going to have a look at reproductive isolation, then this is when biological and behavioural changes within a species may lead to reproductive isolation of one population from another. So it could be a mutation. So a mutation could cause a change in foraging behaviour. Or it might be becoming active at dawn instead of dusk. Or a different time of year when a species might flower. Okay, or there might be, so this is what we're saying here is that this might be, they might have a new niche in that environment. So they might not be active at the times of the day that they need to find a mate. So the mates might be out at a different time to when they are, so they can't find a mate. Changes in the chromosome number could mean that gametes cannot fuse. So chromosomes numbers and might not be able to fuse, and that's called maybe polyploidy. If there was an extra set, might not be able to fuse properly. There could also be a change in courtship behaviour. So mating dances, for example, might change. It might mean that they cannot mate. And what this is called, this is Sympatric Speciation. There's no geographical barrier here, it's purely reproductive. So we can see that how, because of these changes, because of mutations, then it won't be able to reproduce. They will form two separate species. Thank you for watching.